So just to summarize a little bit about what all this means, we talk about a vibrant retail center being driven by experience, even more so than commerce than it used to be, although the commerce is what makes it vibrant in the first place. We find that these vibrant retail centers impact home decisions more than ever before. I think that's a really important point for you all to realize when you're thinking about the importance of finding a way to create these great neighborhood centers, these great shopping centers within your communities. This is going to be how people make home purchasing decisions more and more. Number one will still be schools. It will always be schools. Number two is going to be the opportunity to participate with your neighbors and the rest of your community in a retail environment. Number three, it creates your community identity, either positively or negatively. This is where we see Vibrant Streets as playing a significant role because it's part of controlling your own destiny. I mean, what can you be doing to make sure that that's a positive experience? For a lot of people, a vibrant center, a retail center, is considered a right. They expect it, and they get really mad when they don't get it. So working as a community to work with the government and the retailers to figure out how to make that successful from that three-legged stool. Sorry, I need my slide back. Give me my slide. Thank you. And most importantly, from my perspective and from just a purely kind of member of civic society, it creates that opportunity for people to become invested in one another, something I think that we've really lost on our retail streets. One of the biggest reasons that I want to have soapbox sessions in the Learning Lab is because I long for the days when we used to pick political candidates based on who was stumping on an actual soapbox. I want there to almost be debate that happens in this Learning Lab from people just yelling about it on a sidewalk street. Somebody said to me, what if you get like strangers just wandering up and listening to people talking on the soapbox? And I was like, that would be awesome. I think that sounds like so much fun. So keeping all these things in mind in terms of the importance of thinking about retail within your community, how important it's going to be as we move into the future, and what steps you can take and your neighborhoods can take in order to make sure that that happens, I think is going to be really vital as we move forward.